Walking through the woods, it's easy to overlook the little treasures underfoot. But among the fallen leaves and damp logs, mushrooms quietly thrive. Some with the power to nourish and heal, others that can harm if mistaken. Today, we're uncovering 5 wild mushrooms you'll want to know. How to identify them, the health benefits they offer, and the dangerous lookalikes to watch out for. By the end of this video, you'll see the forest floor with entirely new eyes. Chanterelles. Chanterelles cyboreus. First up are the golden chanterelles, beloved by foragers for both their beauty and their flavor. They glow like little trumpets of sunlight on the forest floor, often hidden in mossy patches beneath oaks or conifers. If you lean in close, you might notice their fruity, apricot-like aroma, a signature sign you've found the real thing. Beyond their culinary appeal, chanterelles are packed with vitamin D, beta-carotene, and antioxidants, supporting eye health and boosting the immune system. They're best enjoyed sautéed in butter or added to soups, where their earthy richness shines. But be cautious. The chanterelles' toxic look-alike, the jack-o'-lantern mushroom, grows in dense clusters on decaying wood and has sharp, true gills instead of the blunt ridges of chanterelles. Some even glow faintly in the dark. Unlike the chanterelle, the jack-o'-lantern is bitter and toxic, leading to severe cramps. Lion's mane, Hericium arenacos. Next, we meet a mushroom that looks nothing like the classic cap and stem shaped lion's mane. Picture a fluffy white pom-pom or a cascade of icicles clinging to a hardwood log. Its shaggy appearance makes it unmistakable once you've seen it. Lion's mane is more than just striking. It's renowned for its brain-boosting properties. Compounds within this mushroom may stimulate nerve growth factor, supporting memory, focus, and overall brain health. Many people use it as a natural nootropic in teas or stir-fries. Fortunately, lion's mane has few dangerous mimics, though beginners sometimes confuse it with old, decayed fungi. A good rule: harvest only fresh, pure white clusters and avoid any that have turned yellow or slimy. Turkey tail, Trametes versicolor. On fallen logs, you might spot fans of color stacked like shingles. This is turkey tail, named for its resemblance to a wild turkey's feathers. Concentric rings of tan, brown, gray, and sometimes blue or green make it one of the forest's most beautiful fungi. Flip it over, and you'll see a surface dotted with tiny white pores, your key to telling it apart from imposters. Turkey tail is more than decorative. It's one of the most studied medicinal mushrooms. Rich in compounds called polysaccharopeptis, it supports gut health, boosts immunity, and has even been researched for cancer support therapies. It's usually dried and brewed into tea, or ground into powder for capsules. The main look-alike, false turkey tail, may appear similar, but has a smooth underside with no pores, and it lacks the medicinal benefits. Always check beneath the cap before you harvest. Morels, Morchella species. Few mushrooms excite foragers more than the morel. Their honeycomb-like caps with deep pits and ridges are a true delicacy. Slice one open, and you'll find it completely hollow from top to bottom. That's the hallmark of a true morel. These mushrooms don't just taste incredible. They're high in antioxidants, vitamin D, and iron, giving your immune system and energy levels a boost. Always cook morels thoroughly though. Raw morels can cause stomach upset. But beware the dangerous imposters, false morels. Instead of neat pits and ridges, their caps look irregular and brain-like, and inside they're chambered rather than hollow. False morels contain gyrometrin, a toxin that can cause seizures and even organ damage. For morels, the rule is simple: hollow inside, safe to cook. Anything else, leave it behind. Reishi, Ganoderma lucidum. Last on our list is one of the most revered mushrooms in traditional medicine, the reishi. Also known as the mushroom of immortality, its glossy, reddish-brown shells cling to the base of hardwood trees, their lacquered surface catching the light like polished wood. Reishi has been used for centuries to support the immune system, reduce stress, and promote overall longevity. Unlike the mushrooms we've covered so far, reishi isn't edible in the usual sense. It's too tough and woody. Instead, it's simmered into teas, tinctures, or powdered extracts. While other species of Ganoderma may look similar, they're not toxic, just less potent. The key is making sure you're gathering from a clean environment, away from pollutants, since these mushrooms absorb what's in their surroundings. Mushrooms are one of nature's great mysteries. Some nourish, some heal, and others can harm if misidentified. With knowledge and caution, foraging becomes not just safe but deeply rewarding. Always cross-check with a good field guide or expert. And remember, when in doubt, leave it out. Thanks for joining me here on Natural Earth Living. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves the outdoors. Until next time, happy and safe foraging.